Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. In today's mixed media project, I'm using text stamp, then I'm using archival ink, black archival ink, and I'm going to stamp on different areas. I'm using mixed media paper. Now I'm using different stamp. So this has little bit of numbers and letters on that. You can use any stamp. Now I'm using this woodware collection stamp. I'm going to first put this texture stamp. Then I'm going to use the circle stamps. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos. So I'm using a more circle on the sides of the page. Now I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to now use watercolor paints. So I'm just going to see what colors I want to use in this one. I'm using like only 2 or 3 colors. You can use distress spray also in this, um, but right now I'm using watercolor. Lately I see that I'm interested in using watercolor, so I keep changing. So you can use anything in this. Even you can splatter the dilution spray and then spray some water. You can get the same effect. So you can try that also. It's not like a different. This watercolor paint, I got it from Amazon. It is called Angora. So it's nice and bright. So it's interesting to use it. Now I'm going to splatter on the page. Now I'm using this leftover kind of dye, and then I'm going to use it in the background. You can use like this any scraps if you have, and use it in the background, and looks different and beautiful. Then I'm using this kind of like a line stamp. Then I'm using this black archival ink and a splatter stamp. I'm going to darken those lines using Posca pen. Then I didn't decide what to keep as a focal point, so I'm just trying to keep these bees in black and white color. And I see that it is not that good because it kind of blends everything with the background. So I decided to use this Tim Holtz um, kind of like ephemera. So I thought this is the best one to use it, and this looks perfect for the background. So I'm going to uh, keep this as a focal point. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I'm going to put the quote and finish this project. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. And I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thank you for taking some time and watching my videos. I will see you again. Bye.